More than $3.7 billion in hedge fund capital was shifted into fully AI-directed strategies during the last 6 months. $3.7 billion. That marks one of the fastest reallocations of decision authority in modern financial history. And here's what you need to understand about this change. This shift that is going on in institutional investing is massive and a complete game changer. Capital allocation has traditionally remained under direct human control, even as technology improved execution speed. This type of structural transition has occurred in fewer than 4 major technological cycles over the past 50 years, and each time it permanently reduced the role of human intermediaries. First, I will show you how AI systems have moved beyond assisting analysts to actively controlling capital allocation decisions. Next, I will break down how hedge funds are restructuring their internal decision hierarchies around machine-driven models. And stick with me all the way until the end, because I'm going to explain to you how this shift is quietly redefining who or what actually controls billions in global capital flows. Almost nobody is noticing that more than 61% of large hedge funds with over $10 billion in assets now deploy AI models in direct portfolio construction, not just data analysis. This shift is occurring because AI systems operate on fundamentally different constraints than humans. A traditional analyst might evaluate 200 to 300 investment variables per company. But modern machine learning models can simultaneously process over 15,000 structured and unstructured data inputs, including credit spreads, liquidity depth, earnings revisions, and macroeconomic sensitivity. This scale advantage allows AI to identify relationships invisible to human cognition. The result is not incremental improvement. It is exponential expansion in analytical coverage. Speed compounds this advantage further. Human decision cycles typically unfold over days or weeks, while AI systems continuously update probabilistic forecasts in milliseconds. One large multi-strategy hedge fund reported that its AI-driven allocation framework reduced reaction time to market-moving information by over 94%, allowing capital repositioning before traditional analysis could even be completed. This compresses the feedback loop between signal detection and capital deployment, fundamentally altering competitive dynamics. Cost efficiency also accelerates adoption. The average hedge fund spends approximately $500,000 to $2 million annually per senior analyst. Yet AI systems can scale analytical capacity across entire portfolios without proportional labor expansion. Once deployed, machine learning infrastructure can manage incremental billions in capital without increasing staffing costs. This scalability transforms AI from a performance tool into a structural necessity. Performance persistence reinforces the transition. Quantitative hedge funds using advanced machine learning models delivered average returns exceeding 19% during high volatility periods, compared to approximately 11% for discretionary macro funds operating primarily on human judgment. While performance varies across cycles, consistency and reaction speed give AI systems a measurable structural advantage. The most important implication is not that humans are disappearing, but that their role is changing. Decision authority is shifting upward into algorithmic frameworks, while human participants increasingly supervise model behavior rather than originate investment decisions. As of last year, over $1.2 trillion in global assets were managed using AI-assisted or AI-directed frameworks, a number projected to grow substantially over the next decade. This is how technological transitions unfold, not through sudden announcements, but through quiet reallocations of authority. Capital does not wait for consensus. It migrates towards systems that process information faster, scale more efficiently, and respond more consistently. And in today's financial system, those systems are no longer human.